Hi there, welcome back. So today I got my 2024 Toyota Tundra SR5. So I'm gonna do a quick check on the oil catch can that I installed a few months ago. So let me show you what inside look like. I already checked it about 2 weeks ago to clean it out. So now I'm going to check it again. See if anything inside there. See if I can pull it. Alright, so get it off. You can see I got a little oil inside here. That's it. I always keep my oil clean, so not a lot dirty. So this thing kind of prevent sludge from build up in your motor, carbon and those things and dirt going in the intake. So that's it, guys. So I'm gonna just throw away this oil. Put some new. Put it back on there, sorry. Make sure get it back tight as possible, guys. So now here get inside here. Possible trigger the check engine light. Or some pivot code or something. Alright, and there you go, guys. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.